What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to find 100x crypto altcoin gems before they explode. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Altcoin Buzz. This is a good website that you could check out to see, a lot of articles that would definitely be helpful for you in hunting those gems that are about to launch or that has been in existence for quite some time now. All right, so this is Centrifuge. This is a good project that you could check out. I'm sure that you have been thinking, bringing in real world assets to the blockchain would be super cool, right? Guess what, guys? Little that we know, Centrifuge has already been doing that for quite some time now. Now, let me go ahead and show you this. All right, so this is their pool. All right, so you could see here real world asset market. The total value lock, or the TVL, is already at $206.3 million right now. It has risen significantly throughout the previous months. So go ahead and check this one out, guys. This could be one of the projects that would give you a lot of profit in the long run. Centrifuge, guys, is built on Substrate, which is the same with Polkadot. So they have the same blockchain. What I also love about Centrifuge is that there is a wrapped CFG or a wrapped centrifuge. Let me show you that here, which is ERC20 compliant. It means that you will be able to access ETH assets tool. And let me go ahead and show you that in their documents. Or this is basically their white paper as well. All right, so you will see the wrapped CFG here. All right, you can see here CFG and then WCFG. So it shows here the CFG token lives natively. Let me scroll that to make it bigger, guys, for you. All right, so the CFG token lives natively on Centrifuge chain that can be bridged to Ethereum and used as an ERC20 token, right? So the token is called WCFG. I would strongly suggest, guys, that you do your own research. This is the white paper, the documentation. They have a lot of different things here, including the tokenomics. Let me show you their token summary right here. So the initial CFG generation event was executed by the Centrifuge Network Foundation, and the initial distribution created is 400 million CFG. And this is the percentages of the distribution, guys. So the snapshot of CFG distribution shortly after Genesis at a supply of 425 million. You have 10.3% for community sales. You have 12.7% for foundation endowment, and then 20.4% for community grants, 9% for early ecosystem, and then core contributors 29.2%, and then early backers 18.5%. So go ahead and check this one out, guys. It will definitely be helpful for you to know all the details about this project before you start investing and before you start being a millionaire. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.